So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to see how to fix extraction operation was not completed error in Minecraft. This error usually appears when extracting files like mods, resources packs, or archives, and is often caused by corrupted files, Windows issues, or unsupported archive formats. Firstly, let's try repairing system files. Just open search. Then type on command prompt. Right-click on Run as administrator, then run the command sfc/scan now. Wait until it reaches 100%, then run dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This will repair corrupted Windows files. Now, if it didn't work, just update your Windows. Go to Settings. Windows Update. Then check for updates. Install all updates including optional ones and restart your PC. Updates fix compatibility and extraction bugs. Also, you can try to use a proper extraction tool. Windows built-in extractor can fail with some files, so just use tools like WinZip, 7-Zip, or WinRAR. Use the same tool that created the archive if possible. It helps fix header or corruption issues. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.